Welcome back. We are still on the topic sequence and series. In the previous video, we learned how to find the value of a term in an AP. In this video, we are going to learn how to find the sum of an AP. Sum of an arithmetic progression. Let's consider the sequence 1, 3, 5, 7. If we look at this sequence very carefully, we can see that it forms an arithmetic progression or an AP. The first term is 1 and the common difference is 2 because 3 minus 1 will give us 2, 5 minus 3 will give us 2, and 7 minus 5 will also give us 2. So this is an AP with a first term of 1 and a common difference of 2. Let's find the sum of the first 7 terms. That is, we want to find the value that we will get when we add the first 7 terms of this AP. In order to do that, we are going to find the first 7 terms, then we will add the values that we will get. We have already been given the first 4 terms, and we know that the common difference is 2. So to get the term after 7, we will add 2, which is the common difference, to 7. So the term after 7 will be 9 because 7 plus 2 will give us 9. To get a term after 9, you add the common difference, which is 2 to 9. So 9 plus 2 will give us 11. To get the term after 11, you add 2 to 11, and that will give us 13. These are the first 7 terms. So we have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. We said we want to find the sum of the first 7 terms. So we want to find the sum of these terms. So we are going to add them. And this will give us 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13. When we add these together, we are going to get 49. So the sum of the first 7 terms of this AP is 49. Now let's consider something. What if the question asked us to find the sum of the first 60 terms? If we use this same approach, what it means is that we will first have to find the first 60 terms, then we will add the values that you get. That is going to be very tedious. To make our work easier for us, we are going to use a formula. Let's consider an AP with a first term of A and a common difference of D. So given that A is the first term and D is the common difference of an AP, then the sum of the AP from the first term to the nth term is denoted by Sn. So the sum from the first term to the 13th term will be denoted by S13. The sum from the first term to the 50th term will be denoted by S50. So the sum from the first term to the nth term is denoted by Sn. And Sn is given by the formula n divided by 2 into bracket 2a plus, you open another bracket, n minus 1 times d, then you close the bracket. So in an AP, if a is the first term and d is the common difference, the sum of the terms in the AP from the first term to the nth term is denoted by Sn, and Sn is given by the formula n divided by 2 into brackets 2a plus, you open another bracket, n minus 1 times d, then you close the bracket. Once again, remember that a is the first term and d is the common difference. So in the previous slide, we considered this AP and we wanted to find the sum of the first 60 terms. In this AP, we can see that the first term is 1 and the common difference is 2. We want to find the sum of the first 60 terms, so n is equal to 60. When we substitute this information into the formula, we are going to get S60. That is the sum of the first 60 terms. Let's consider another thing. If the first term of the AP is A and the last term is L, so this time we are considering an AP whose last term is known. If the first term is A and the last term is L, then the sum of all the terms in the AP is denoted by Sn. And Sn is equal to n divided by 2 into brackets A plus L, where n is the number of terms in the AP. So if the first term is A and the last term is L, Then we can use this formula to find the sum of all the terms in the AP. A is the first term, L is the last term, and N is the number of terms in the AP. So for example, if you have this AP 5, 10, 15, 20, and it continues up to 200, A will be the first term, L will be the last term. So A is 5 and L is 200. And N will be the number of terms in this AP. So if you're able to find the number of terms in this AP, we can substitute the values of A, L, and N into this formula to find the sum of all the terms in this AP. So when finding the sum of the terms in an AP, we can use either one of these formulas. We use the first one when you have the first term and the common difference of the AP. And we use the second one when you have the first term and the last term of the AP. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel for more videos. In the next video, we are going to apply what you've studied in this video to solve a question. Bye-bye.